Hi, this is Jason Zatrock, Regional Sales Manager for NSI AutoStore, and in this video I'm going to show you how to direct connect your laptop to a Ricoh MFP, turning your laptop into an AutoStore server. Goals of the video: I'm going to step-by-step walk you through how to do this. I'm going to show you some tips in making sure that your laptop and the MFP are in communication, and then finally how to push the configuration file to the panel of the device itself. The benefits of doing this is that you will always have an available AutoStore server. Sometimes there's one server in the showroom. It might not even be in your showroom. Of course, also, you can't always get a customer to come in for a demo, so if they have a device, you can take your laptop out there and show them AutoStore on their machine, which means you don't have to wait for anybody. That can pull your sales cycle forward and help you differentiate Ricoh and win the business. So the first thing we have to do is actually have an AutoStore configuration. And I already have one created. This is for education. I'm not going to go into the specifics of the config itself, but it's up here on screen inside of AutoStore Process Designer. So you have to have AutoStore installed before you do this. Next thing we have to do is make sure that the device and your laptop, that should be hardwired connected by this point, talking to each other. So we need to go into Network Sharing Center, go into your adapter settings, and if this is the first time you do it, this local area connection is going to be trying to figure out what's going on. So you want to go into the properties, TCP IPv4, go into those properties, and you're going to want to enter the address of the device, but change the last octet by one digit. So the IP address of the device I'm connecting to is 172.171.202. I've already changed it to 203. The subnet mask should reset on its own. If it doesn't, it's going to be just like you see here, or maybe 255.000. So when that's done, hit OK, close that out. You can close out of here, and I run a very basic command line prompt, and I ping the device. So again, 172.171.202. Not the 203 you just set. This is the IP address of the Ricoh MFP. And so that's what you want to see. That means reply, reply, reply. You're in communication. So close out of there. We're ready to go. So from here, you're going to want to make sure the services are running. So you can start the services. You can see mine are already running. Then you need to go into the Ricoh ESA Device Manager and get that configuration out to the panel of the device. So the first thing you want to do is get the IP address of the server and the MFP. So by double-clicking on that first line item, you'll be prompted for the IP address of the device, which I've already populated once, and you hit OK. From here, you just do a menu update. And it's going to ask you, okay, from where? So this is where you see that difference in the octets. So it is going to go out and communicate to your laptop, in this case my laptop, with 172.171.203. Shouldn't be any port conflicts. This will auto-populate. You can leave those alone. And you hit OK, and you watch for the menus to update. And this may or may not take very long. It's going to be dependent on a lot of factors. So now that the menus are updated, I want to start the service. And again, this can take a little while, or it can take a little while longer. But what you want to see right there is status started, version 5.03. Now you can reach over to your device and go into your other functions and see AutoStore, and you should see your menu. I'm capturing everything on my laptop screen, so I can't show you the actual laptop that's next to me. But that's how you set everything up, and that is how you get your device and your laptop in communication running AutoStore. If you have any questions, here's my information one more time. And again, you can always reach out to your own regional sales manager or NSI Inside Sales. Thanks.